Hello, Namaskaram. I am Kesav Murthy from Coimbatore. I am an HR cum educational consultant. October 14th, 2020 is celebrated as a World Standards Day. So, this has been celebrated from 1970 onwards. This is a collaborative effort of five different organizations, namely ISO, International Organization for Standardization, then IEC, International Electrotechnical Commission, then ITU, International Telecommunication Union, then ASME, American Society of Mechanical Engineers, then IEEE, Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. This particular day is celebrated as World Standards Day primarily to pay tribute to various experts who have contributed to the standards of various processes and productions in the world. Be it developed country or developing country, these standards have been evolved with the effort of various experts, and it has been followed by different organizations. In India, Bureau of Indian Standards organizes this celebration, and then every year they celebrate in their branches with education institutions, with awareness camps, meetups, poster competitions, seminars, and workshops. So this year, the standard of this week is IS 17472 2020. It is guideline for safe working of organization during COVID-19 pandemic. This is the standard of the week. So let us look at the history of this particular World Standards Day. In the year 1946, 25 countries met up at London. They decided to form an international body to facilitate global standards. So the very next year, in 1947, ISO came into existence. From then on, every year, October 14th is celebrated as World Standards Day. So, and this year's theme is Protecting Planet with Standards, is a theme of the International Standard Day 2020. So the broad aim of this celebrating this day is to help reduce the environmental impact of industrial production and processes, and to facilitate reuse of scarce resources and materials, and then to improve the energy efficiency. So this has been the theme of the International Standards Day. So this every year they have one specific theme, and this year's specific theme is Protecting Planets with Standards. I hope this information about International Standards Day is useful to you. If you like this, share this video to your friends and contacts, and subscribe to our channel. You can see many such videos on education and on general awareness and general studies from our channel. So you can subscribe. Once you subscribe, you will get notifications, and then you can watch those videos. Thank you.